So another project we have going on here in the county, and I'll take my mask off so it's easier to hear me, is single-use masks. So people on bus rides could use this, or to be able to hand out to people maybe at a soup kitchen, or other areas where people need masks but maybe don't have access to them. Old t-shirts are a perfect tool for this. So here's an example of an old t-shirt. And this is one we've already cut out. This is the easiest project, just simply a pair of scissors. I cut off the bottom edge. It doesn't stretch as well as the rest of the t-shirt. Fold the t-shirt in half. So this is the body part of the t-shirt right here. And you make a mask, 6 inches to 7 inches wide, approximately. And then where the two sides come together like that, just cut a stripe down about halfway, top and bottom. Cut that little set of squares out neatly, like I just didn't do. And you have a single-use mask that anybody can use. The nice thing about this is it doesn't cost anything. Because it's made out of old t-shirts, it's a really good way to recycle. And at the end of all of this, these are very easy to throw away in a trash can. Because it's made out of stretchy material, one good stretch, and I will show you how easy it is to put on. So top, and bottom. And if that provides just a little bit of safety for one person, then this project has been worth it.